Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Danish Ahmad, your host. I came with the channel Lemon Tricks. Lemon Tricks is a 25% charity oriented channel. So guys, please subscribe the channel so that you can take part in charity by only subscribing the channel. So come on guys, let's move towards our today's topic. Our today's topic is Corona cure or vaccine development, and we will correlate this topic with our previous topic, which is name is Corona conspiracy at the end of the topic. So here we are going to talk about those countries which are contributing their knowledge to the field or to the pandemic disease, viral disease Corona COVID-19. So first amongst the hierarchy is Chinese vaccine. Come on, let's talk about Chinese vaccine. The second phase clinical trials first COVID-19 vaccine is underway. Chinese fourth vaccine enter clinical trials developing by CNBG. CNBG will produce 100 million doses annually. Come on, let's have a view of the video to help better knowledge.
We are very confident about this inactivated whole virus vaccine. Currently, we are constructing the new facilities in Changping province of Beijing, and our target production capacity is 100 million dose per year. Phase 3 is a large-scale study. If there is already no disease happened in the population, that means you cannot success on phase 3.
American contribution. Come on, let's talk about American contribution to the pandemic disease, viral disease COVID-19. Scientists in Kaiser Permanente Washington Research Institute tested a potential vaccine for COVID-19. Volunteers participated in vaccine tests. Experts say, unfortunately, will take a year to develop vaccine for COVID-19.
Hi.
Hi.
Jennifer, right?
Yes.
All right.
everybody's feeling so helpless right now, and I realized that there was something that I could do to help, and I'm excited to be here.
Israel is supposed to be most mysterious country among the world. Israel claims that they have developed a vaccine for the COVID-19. Come on, let's have a view of the Israeli contribution to the field of pandemic viral disease COVID-19. Israel claiming to develop antibodies for COVID-19. These antibodies can destroy COVID-19 virus in carrier's body. Research will be given to international manufacturers soon.
Israel has achieved a major breakthrough in the race to find a cure for COVID-19. Scientists at Israel's top institute have managed to isolate a key coronavirus antibody which could possibly neutralize the virus. Following the development, Israel's defense minister visited the Institute for Biological Research, where the antibody was isolated. The minister claims that the antibody can destroy the SARS-CoV-2 virus inside a carrier's body. Now, the institute is in the process of patenting the antibody formula. Once a patent is procured, the search will begin for an international manufacturer. Reports of cures and vaccines are popping up across the world, but Israel's breakthrough is distinct for a couple of reasons. The antibody that they have isolated is monoclonal in nature, which means that it has been derived from a single recovered cell, making the chances of success higher.
In the early days, Italy was supposed to be the most victim of COVID-19. What is the contribution of Italy to the field of COVID-19 pandemic disease? An Italian vaccine generated antibodies in mice, work on human cells according to tests carried out at Rome. Development through most advanced system with Linarix, an American company.
An Italian coronavirus vaccine has antibodies generated in mice that work on human cells, according to tests carried out at Rome's infectious disease Spallanzani Hospital. Luigi Orosicchio, CEO of Takis, the firm developing the medication, said that a coronavirus disease COVID-19 candidate vaccine has neutralized the virus in human cells for the first time. This is the most advanced stage of testing of a candidate vaccine created in Italy, Orosicchio told the Italian news agency ANSA. Human tests are expected after this summer, he added. He explains that Takis is exploring more interesting technological platforms with Linea RX, an American company. We are working hard for a vaccine coming from Italian research, with an all-Italian and innovative technology, tested in Italy and made available to everyone. In order to reach this goal, we need the support of national and international institutions and partners who may help us speed up the process.
Pakistan contribution. Pakistan is also contributing a lot to the field of pandemic viral disease COVID-19. Come on, let's have a view of the Pakistan contribution. Pakistan is carrying out passive immunization, means to say plasma self-transfusion, or medicine development from passive immunization. These are the most effective ways after every pandemic disease. In the last, there are certain objections which are going to rise in everybody's mind. Is coronavirus a conspiracy? Coronavirus made by human to reduce population? Is a joint or single operation of Israel, America and China? Why American company developing cure in Italy? Why Russia is silent? Is North Korea supreme leader is dead? To talk about all these objections, let's watch my previous video, which is namely Corona Conspiracy. So guys, if you found my video very helpful, please subscribe my channel and forward this video to all of your contacts.